Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with hardware and detection. Begin now. First, confirm cables and power, then open display settings so the OS can see both monitors. If a screen doesn't appear, click Detect on Windows or hold Option in Mac OS displays to force enumeration. Once done, identify which tile corresponds to which physical screen by pressing Identify, knowing that mapping prevents misplacement during arrangement. Make sure to keep resolution and refresh rate defaults until you confirm both are visible and mapped correctly. Now arrange and tune each display so your workspace feels continuous. Drag the on-screen monitors to match their physical positions and set your primary display. This controls taskbar and new window placement. For each monitor, choose its native resolution and appropriate scaling to avoid blur. Then set refresh rate to the highest supported value for smoother motion and confirm orientation and color profile individually for accurate visuals. Once you finish these steps, your dual displays will behave predictably and look consistent. Finish by testing. Move the cursor between screens, drag windows across, and play a video to check sync. If you use audio devices, confirm output selection. Apply night light or true tone and save color profiles so settings persist across sessions. If something goes wrong, swap cables and ports first, then update or reinstall GPU drivers. Adapters can hide edit info, so try a direct connection. If the problem continues, restart the system. Often a reboot forces the OS to reapply correct display parameters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.